The gun, you are under arrest.
Bummer, they locked it. I'm gonna tell. Come here. Probably pissing my bottle. That's what I have to do. They're both locked. That sucks. Probably someone tearing it up. Alright, let's go, guys. Right now I'm feeding them a little bit because I want puking it up, this heat. Right now it's 76, so that's what I'm feeding them. Well, I got my chicken right there. I fed them that. Okay, got my thing here. Put this on. And now a little water in here. Thing looks crooked. A little bit. Same thing, stick in there goes. Take the chicken and go and put it in. That's it. And then you gotta heat it up. I gotta get I throw that on the ground so I get it later. And I'm probably going to use my Joule. I put more water in it because it boiled up too quick. You can see it. I put water in there so let's stick this out. How you guys doing, huh? Okay, by the way, the name of this park, Crater Park, that's the name of it. So I might plug in my Joule here in a little bit. The sucker really boils quick. Now, time to boil water for that, and it cleans up my cup too. We're gonna relax and get going. Okay, let's give her a blast here. Okay, we're getting ready to clean it as it's doing its business in there. It's really hot. This jet boil is awesome. It heats up super quick, so you gotta be careful. The camera just fell, but it's got some dings in it. I'm gonna get a bigger tripod. I actually got one. I have to just see if this still works. Yeah, so it works great. Took a big pound and okay, getting ready to go here. Spent a couple hours eating in that, charge it up a little bit, which I didn't have to. Other than that, so I don't like getting trailers because they get old quick. Here's your feet on this fall wash nails. Hey, right now, we are in Hastings, Nebraska. So it's a little town. We're looking for a strap cord to hold up my solar panels when I go to bed so they don't fly the right way. Let's go ahead and gas up and go in there and get something. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so they got Milford closed down on US 6, so we had a detour up on 80 here, make a little emergency pit stop. I think he gets a little seasick. He's thrown up a little bit, so I'm just gonna take a break. Motion sickness and or the heat. We're at the Nebraska toll road right now. One thing is, that's like trailer number 17. In the last 2 days that broke down. I would not recommend people buy those things. So we'll look around the Nebraska area here, toll road plaza. I might have them in the car a little too long, so I'm probably take 3-4 hour breaks. Usually I'll pull, I'll let them out real quick and not allow at the gas station, but I don't know if they gotta use the bathroom or what. Come on, Patty! There he goes, he's leaving one from Nebraska. Come on, Box. There goes Bing doing his best job. He might be done. About time I could recycle, not too many places got recycling centers. So we'll go ahead and recycle some of the stuff. I don't like to throw it out unless I have to. Okay, let's get going, we'll walk around here. And remember the water. You see they got some pretty nice sheltered benches there. Which I gotta work on my computer work here in a minute. We got a bridge there. Come on, guys, quit sniffing up people's stuff. There she goes. All right, there's the bridge. It's got the green moss in it. Okay, we're in Lincoln, Nebraska. I gotta stop at Home Depot to get a cord. We're in Lincoln, Nebraska, as you can see here, off 6. We gotta go to Home Depot and get a cord for my solar panel. And then we'll let these two roam around a little bit. We'll just a little bit east of Lincoln, as you can see. We're at Home Depot here, walking around. I had to get some bungee cords. And there they are right there. So a really nice thing. There, we're walking out. Anyway, you gotta feel the sun. Oh, well, look at that. Oh, I got remote control cars. Right here at the gas station. They are right there, man. That big one right there. Look at that. Bam. It's huge. Okay, we're going up to this McDonald's up here. So I go ahead and do my computer work real quick. I was going to do it earlier. The sun was going down, but it was just too hot for the dogs. So now it's about 8:07. out here in Nebraska. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Should be safe. There ain't no one in there either, which is great news. Looks like a brand new McDonald's. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my business. Get this done out the way and get cruising. Wow, look at all these signs. Okay, got my computer work done, and you see this Casey. This there is a brand new McDonald's. You can probably see it in my mirror there. We did a grave for it's a nice cool day for Ronald McDonald here, walking the dogs around. What happened was 3 years ago I did this grave, but I lost most of the files. So if I ever go back to Richard McDonald's grave, I'll go ahead and redo it. I got some of the files, but not all of it. So I figured tonight's a perfect time to do it here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Since this is brand new and I'm pretty much all by myself. What's next, one of my favorite gas stations right there is Casey's, but I'm gonna drive a little bit more further tonight here. So that looks like a brand new store as well. So I'm gonna get zooming, right guys? It took a while. I don't like driving at night. We're at Casey's here, western side of Iowa. Small Casey's. This is like the third one I went to because the other two didn't have any parking. Got my refrigerator and fan running, and we're gonna have to listen to the fireworks all freaking night. It's only like, okay, it's like 5 in the morning here in Iowa. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my car because I can't tell if those are closed or what the hell is going on over there. It's Casey's. Dark, gloomy day. It's like a bad storm coming in, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up real quick. Need a light in here. Okay, go ahead and stick it in and then get zooming. I'm gonna wash all these bugs off, especially in the humid. Right there's about where we're at, US 6 here in Iowa. Ooh. Okay, with the fun, we just chased a baby possum over here. I don't know if I got on video, but we're going to get going here. Loves in Des Moines, Iowa. We're going to the next grave here in a little bit, but we went in there, took a shower, and cooked something to eat. Let me show you here real quick. Okay, there we are at Loves. So you can see. It's me cooking my stuff inside the Love's bathroom, my food. You see he's all ready to go take a shower. And there it is. Voila. While that's charging, we are at, where are we at? We are at the park of Herbert Hoover. Right up there's his grave. And it's a park too, so we're gonna walk around and enjoy ourselves. And this is what it looks like. They got a library that way, a park over there. So we're just gonna hang out here for a bit. Okay, we're walking along Herbert Hoover Trail. He just puked. Okay, get way up here. We are approaching it. It's an unusual one, but there they are. Mr. Herbert Hoover, 1974 or 1874, 1964. Nice marble. Come on, guys. Okay, all the way back down to the car we go, and we're gonna find a picnic area to kind of relax at for a little bit, and then we gotta worm our way around Chicago. We're just gonna head over there and take a break. They got a library in there up front. Nothing that special, but it's a good grave for my YouTube channel. They got a park right there, the bathrooms and that. I don't know. Looks like I gotta walk across. I really don't want to do that. Oops. We are at Casey's right now, so I'm gonna stop in and fill up real quick, not too far from President Hoover. Anyway, that's where we're at right there. Okay, that's where it looks like. Not too much down this town here. So we're in this 339 super unleaded. There it is. All right, thanks.
I didn't see if we have many customers.
My choice.
No, I understand. Oh, here's the EPA. Arbiter route. We honestly just got trucks, so it might be a little crowded to get to it right now.
Okay.
So obviously we're trying to put our truck away.
Yeah, I see that.
It's not yours. We're just inside Illinois here. Got Arcadia right there. 6 is right over there, so we park back here, so we're by ourselves, feeding the dogs and that. Oh, there you go. He's leaving one for Illinois. Yeah, you're gonna eat, so I'm gonna let him eat and clean that up real quick, relax, and then take off and let him eat. So US 6 runs right into Chicago and that. I've been down there a million times. I'm not going that way, so what I'm gonna do is I'm over here, right there. I'm gonna go down here and hit right there. Actually, I'm gonna take this one right there, and then I'm gonna loop around and come back up at US 6. So US 6 kind of merges in here. Been down there a million times. It's a nice day out here. I gotta dump the poop off, so just taking a break. See, the corner is gone because I just threw his poop away at Walgreens right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off. That's about where I'm at, somewhere here in Illinois. So there's scooters, go down a busy driveway and just business route and go. Turn this down if I get copyright trouble. Wow. Oh, only aluminum recycling. We're in Illinois here at a park, so I gotta go and take a quick pee. I don't know if this is a private road or what, but I took my camera out. We wrapped right around Chicago really good. We went way south and then went around. Let's see if you can see Chicago from here. I did a little bit. Zoom up on it. I did from over there. Okay, we're up on a bridge here. See if you can see it. I think that looks like that Chicago right there. I think that's it. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. This is like a farmer's thing. You see, I'm up here on the high rise. You scared the crap out of me. Okay, here's where we're at. I'm gonna go underneath South Bend, just staying on 6. And I gotta pull over. How often do you see that? Because that one is farting. That usually means he's planning to go potty. So let's go ahead and go. Okay, we're in Walkerton, Indiana. Got my nets up. When it comes to fireworks and that, I keep these guys chained up so they don't run. And I advise everyone to keep their dogs chained up at all times. So I just netted 3 windows. So very rare me doing this. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. So you can see Casey's. If you check out my live stream, I did a little walk around there. It's called Waterloo, Indiana vets. A lot of them died here in Waterloo, or they're associated with Waterloo, I should say. And go to bed here, get something to eat. It's kind of a nice little town. I'm off US 6 on my favorite spot, Casey's. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready up, lay down. I'm gonna leave early in the morning. I just purposely pulled over early because of fireworks and the drunks. So I'm gonna look at the statistics to see what's the worst holiday for drunks. I believe it's New Year's Day and 4th of July. And I gotta see what the worst time for drunks to be out. I'm probably assuming 3 in the morning. All right, let's get going. Okay, it's about 4 in the morning. This is why I don't go out on 4th of July. And I stay, pull over early because there's a lot of drunks. There's been nothing but sirens all damn night. Right by Sturgis here, Indiana, cruising along US 20. So we shifted gears a little bit, get off 6th. There's a marathon running gas up here. It's just basic old school town. China Walk. Looks like they went out of business, huh? I've been down here for a while. They got 2 sleepy heads back there. I believe this is called Fayette, Ohio. US 66 and US 20. So I just took a little break, had to get gas. But this is like an old school town. See the churches over there. Right down there, you see, right along there, the strip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going here. 317.